Sometimes we use to make audio calls through WhatsApp. In this video, we'll be telling about one simple thing, that is, how to disconnect an audio call on WhatsApp. The thing is that sometimes, if you are clicking on the back button, you'll forget to disconnect this audio call. Anyway, in this video, we'll be telling about how to disconnect an audio call on WhatsApp. For this, open the WhatsApp application and, for example, I'm selecting this contact, and after that, I am making one call to this contact. For that, click on this button. This is the button for audio call. Now here you can see the opposite person. I have attended that call. Now, to disconnect this call, it is very simple. Click on this red button. When you're clicking on that call will be disconnected. But one thing is that every time you cannot see that option. Sometimes the thing is that when we are making an audio call, sometimes we may minimize this. After this, here you cannot see that option. In that case, what you need to do is you need to again open the WhatsApp application, and after that, sometimes you can see this page. If you are not able to see this page, sometimes it will be like this. If you are going back also, here above you can see that call option. And from here, either you can click on the center area, and you can see that audio call in full screen, and you can click on this red button, or here you can see a red button. Just click on this red button. When you're clicking on that audio call will be disconnected. So, this way you can easily disconnect an audio call on WhatsApp. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.